Hey guys, welcome to InvestCrash. Today we speak about the importance of saving and investing and how you can grow your wealth and stay rich with your investments. Do us a favor and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so the video reaches more people and help the channel out. So today's video is an anecdote from the book The Psychology of Money, which we will also be talking about more in future videos, so make sure you're subscribed for that. So the author tells us about a genius tech executive who had built and sold many companies. He carried a stack of $100 bills wherever he went and boasted about his wealth. Now, years later, it was found out that he went broke. Now, to this, the author says a genius who loses control of their emotions can be a financial disaster. Now, compare the story of the tech executive to that of Ronald Read. He fixed cars and mopped gas stations for a living. At the age of 38, he bought a small two-bedroom house and lived there for the rest of his life. Now, Ronald Read died in 2014 at the age of 92, but his death had made headlines. 2,813,503 people had died in 2014. Out of those, 4,000 had a net worth of over $8 million. And Ronald Read was one of those 4,000. He left 2 million for his stepkids and donated over 6 million to his local hospital and library. Now you may wonder how he had made so much money despite the jobs he had, and upon investigation it was found out that no, he hadn't won a lottery or found a pot of gold, but he had invested whatever little savings he had into the market, which had compounded to over $8 million over the years. Now I believe finance is the only industry without any college degree, training or formal experience. People can grow their wealth by just having more patience and letting the money do the work. I hope you enjoyed this small introductory video into the world of personal finance. Thanks for watching, like the video as it helps the channel out, and subscribe for more such content.